Rains in Nicaragua leave thousands homeless. Persistent rains that began on Thursday, December 22nd and continued through the weekend, forcing thousands of families to be evacuated from their homes in the North Atlantic coastal region over the holidays. Communities such as the municipality of Bonanza were inundated when a wall of the Siempre Viva hydroelectric dam had broken, as was Siuna, where the Bambana River rose to dangerous levels. 5 bridges also reportedly collapsed as 102 millimeters of rain fell in just an 8-hour period. President Daniel Ortega dispatched military and other emergency personnel to assist in rescue and relief operations, with the government also sending food supplies and other humanitarian aid. Meanwhile, experts continue to monitor the dam, whose further damage could release 7 million cubic meters of water at once.
With all her love and prayers, Supreme Master Qinghai asked that our nearby association members please see whether the local governments were in need of any help, as she requested that they also go, if possible, to comfort the most vulnerable, adding that funds are available for emergency aid.
Our gratefulness, President Ortega, the Nicaraguan military, and all others for your help to those in need, as we also thank Supreme Master Qinghai for her wholehearted concern. May heaven protect the storm affected, as we pray that humanity's gentler regard for all fellow beings may ease such distressing conditions as these.